Marinating a cow, first wash the organ at an angle and then straighten it. Push your hand near the cervix.
Cows keep getting graped for milk, but the good news is we got soy milk and it's really cheap. So, high protein soy milk blaster, always no sugar, always unsweetened. That goes in there like that. Here we've got some cannellini beans. Again, there's a bit of garlic on top of those. I'll just like 2 or 3 cloves. Get that in, don't be a wetter. Silken tofu, organic, because everything is organic, apart from most things. From looking at that already, that's going to be too much, but it doesn't matter because I can put the rest in. I can put the rest in the fridge for tomorrow to put something else with it, such as like roasted veg, or I can even smother the tofu in it tomorrow. Tofu on tofu, like drinking water while you're in the bath. There's a bit left in there. Get that in. Right then. The tofu's in, the beans are in. Oh yeah, by the way, we're using chickpea fusilli. That is from Sainsbury's and it's gluten-free. It's high protein, it's vegan, it's a source of fibre and it's high in protein. Obviously that's why we're using it. Per 180 you've got... As I was trying to say, you're looking at around 30 grams. Probably a bit more, 33, 34. Can't be bothered to work it out, but anyway, it's better than normal pasta. Smoked paprika, let's put a bit of that in. Oh, I love it, man. Whack that in. That's probably too much, but I don't care. Right, we've got some miso paste. We're going to chuck that in. Probably, I don't know, half a teaspoon or something. Get that in. Get it in. That's in. I'm going to add the vinegar at the end. Pepper is going in as well. Done. Oh, bloody hell. I nearly forgot the yeast flakes. Yeast flakes, here's the big tub. Yeah, please order that online. 1 kilogram there, and it saves you a lot of hassle. We're going to go 1, 2. I'm guessing roughly that's about 15 gram. I'm going to put more in because I love it. Get it all in, man. Bugger it. Anyway, that's that. I'm just going to drop a little bit of olive oil in and blast it again. But what might happen is the miso paste might stick to the side, so just give it a poke. It's a little bit inconvenient, but not as inconvenient as you know what. So, oh my god, it's dripping. I want that just a touch more liquidy because we're going to put it in the pasta. A lot of people will cook the pasta and they'll pour it over the top. No, we don't do that because we're in a rush. Everyone's busy, everyone's got things to do. We don't want to be faffing around with water. Get a bit of milk in there. It's time for the pasta. Grab a pan. Now, you can bite it with your teeth, but if you're not the one true savage, give it a sniff like that. Then I'm going to whack that on the hob. Just wetting it up a little bit, do you know what I mean? This is called the pour. I mean, in the nutritional yeast alone, we've got about, what, 8 or 9 gram, call it 10. Chickpea pasta, 33, call it 43. Soy milk, I don't know, what, 250 ml? Call it 8 gram, something like that, 7 or 8 gram. I mean, look at this. Organic tofu, we've put 290 gram in, and it's got 6.5 per 100, so that's 12, so that's 80. There's 18 gram just in that. So we've got 18 gram plus all that. It's ridiculous, man. It's all I need for the day, and it's my only meal of the day as well, so it's a good job. Anyway, blast that up, give it a little stir. A lot of people will frown upon this, cooking it in the sauce, but at the end of the day, it's going to be creamier, it's going to be quicker. I ain't got time to boil that, drain it, chuck it back in, put it down, and then pour the sauce on. What's the point in that? So, it's all about the pasta. What are you doing? After some of this again? I forgot the salt. I've just added a little bit of salt in. I'm also going to chuck in a bit more pepper. Back onto the protein. We've got 35 in the pasta. I did guess 33, so there's an extra 2. Nutritional yeast, 20 gram. 9.6, so they call it 10. Soy milk, we'll call it 250, which is 9 gram. And then what else have we got in there? Silken tofu, 2.9 times 100. Yeah, 19 gram. That's it, isn't it? A little bit more smoked paprika. Just a touch of rice vinegar. Just a tablespoon. Done. 12 gram of protein in the beans also. I forgot about the beans. What's that? There's 86 gram of protein there. I don't want to hear anyone say the P word ever again. Pine nuts are good. Get them on. Even more protein. There's protein everywhere. There's that much protein in it. I keep forgetting that things have got protein. There you go. There's another 4 gram. Done. And do you know what? I'm going all out. I'm going to whack the pumpkin seeds on as well. There you go. It doesn't look as good as it did now, but it still looks good. But that doesn't matter. Do you know why? Because there's about 90 gram of protein there. Mother cows need to stop getting great. You are not the one true savage. And there we have some high protein, creamy, beautiful, tofu based chickpea pasta.